Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Student, our today's topic is MCQ. We will solve 5 MCQ question and answer. Let us see today's topic. Our today's topic is M.C.Q-5. We will solve 5 questions and this is chapter 5. These 5 M.C.Q based on chapter 5. And this is lecture number 28 and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 25 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. You can see here is 5 MCQ based on our suggestion. We have already provided you suggestion and this is 11 number to 15 number. We will solve 11 number to 15 number based on our suggestion. Number 11, here is the question, which one is the largest gland of the body? Which one is the largest gland of the body? A number option is pancreas, B number option is intestinal glands and C number option is gastric gland and D number is liver. The answer will be liver. Liver is the largest gland of the body. So, we will tick here. And now, 12th number. Which one is available in saliva? Option is trypsin and water. B number option is trypsin and water. It will be trypsin. And C number lipase and water and D number is pepsin and water and the answer will be A number, that means trypsin and water. So this will be the answer. Now here is the stem. Follow the stem and answer question nong 13, 14 and 15. Here is the stem. According to your book, you can see this is page number 58. Here is the picture. This is the stem and the level is here M and this one is N and here is the O and P. Before answering this question and answer, we will revise this picture. You can see this is 52 number page. Here is the picture. This is constituent of blood. If we see this picture, here is the level part. This one is red blood corpuscles. This is red blood corpuscles and this is platelet and here is plasma and here is big one, this is white blood corpuscles. So if we see again our stem, we can understand this M part. M is red blood corpuscles. M level is red blood corpuscles and then N is platelets. N is platelets and P is plasma and O is white blood corpuscles. Now, it will be easy to answer this question. Let us do this. Thirteen number. Here is nucleus is absent in. Nucleus is absent in. 1 number option is Mn part, 2 number is NO part, and 3 number is OM part. Now we have already know that only white blood corpuscles has nucleus. So the answer will be, which one of the following is correct? The correct answer will be A number, that means Mn. M is red blood corpuscles and N is platelets. That means in M part and N part there is no nucleus. So the answer will be A number. Now 14 number. Function of P is 2. That means this one P. Function of P is 2. Now we know P is plasma. Function of P, that means plasma, is 2. Option is carry food extracts. 2 number option acts as security guard. 3 number option help expulsion of wastage. Now which one of the following is correct? The answer will be B number. That means 1 number and 3 number is correct. So we will put tick here. That means plasma, function of plasma is carry food extracts and help expulsion of wastage. Now the last question, 15 number. Which one of the following help blood to clot? Which one of the following help blood to clot? The answer will be B number, because we have already know that level N is platelet. That means platelet help blood to clot. So we will put tick here. I am repeating this question, which one of the following help blood to clot? The answer will be B number. That means here is the N, level is N, that means platelet. Platelet help blood to clot. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 25 number SW. And your SW will be this 5 MCQ question and answer. Here is only 5 questions and answer. This is your SW. And remember that when you will do your SW, please write down the SW number and submission date. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.